Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn this into the origami stunt plane. To do that, you just have to kind of open it up like this. So it can look like this. And fold it down again. And then just fold this up and leave like a centimeter or a width of your thumb. Or you can put on the first crease. Do the same thing on the other side. You just don't have to just pop it like too much, or then it's gonna rip. And then you have something that looks like this. Now the only thing that you have to do is just put it back down and kind of fold it up on that crease. Or you can fold it up like a quarter. Do the same thing on the other side. And not like this. Oh no. Thing got stuck on some never mind. And then just hold it on the middle and you got the origami stunts plane. Let's see how it flies. 1, 2, 3. It sometimes doesn't fly that well because it actually is this way, or this is. So we'll fold it in a typical angle like this. And this is from Rob's World. But I made a better one because I made it better secure on these. He always flash flies. So I guess thanks for watching our video. And like and subscribe. This time you don't even need scissors for this. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. And thanks for being awesome, which somebody else says. And see you next time. A million subscribers in a million. We have to hit 2 million subscribers, and $1,000. So thanks for watching our video, and thanks for being awesome. Bye.